Hi, in this video we will see how we can quickly flash fill the Excel dataset. So here in this Excel sheet we are seeing there are a couple of columns are there like person type and person full name. Our goal is to divide this full name into two columns with first name and last name, and we will do this thing using Excel feature flash fill. So how can we do that? Let's see. So at first we need to type the first cell data. So for first name we are saying here in this cell the data is Ken and something. So for the first cell we just need to put the data by typing. So I'm typing Ken and then hit enter key. So this data is exactly same with the first part of this full name. And now what we need to do, we need to click home and then here we will find fill. If we press here it will automatically pop up. Okay, and here using this fill basically we can do flash fill, and then from here we have to choose flash fill, and here once we click the flash fill all the data is loaded automatically, and these are all the first name of each of the data set. Same way if we want to complete the last name using flash fill, basically we have to do this thing. So for our easy task, basically I'm going to copy this name part and here I am putting that last name. So this is the last name. Now we need to do the flash fill. So I have to come home and then we have to click this fill, and then from here we have to press flash fill and it will complete everything. So that's it. In this easy way we can easily use flash fill to divide the data and so many tasks. Thank you guys for watching the video.